Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to sell digital products on Shopify. First of all, let's go to product section and click on add product. Now enter here your digital product title and enter your product description. You have to add media for your digital file, so click on add file. Upload your product media here and add here your pricing. You have to add all the pricing details. If the product has any discount, then you can add here. You can turn on charge tax on this product and add your cost per item here. And here I am turning on this option, continue selling when out of stock. And to sell a digital product on Shopify, you must have to uncheck this option. This is a physical product. You must have to uncheck or disable this option. And now if this product has option like size or color, then enable this option. And option name, you can select option name and option value, give here value, click on done. In the same way, you can add another option by clicking here. You can see price for every variance. Scroll up product status, select draft and select here the product type. Select vendor and you can select your collection and now enter here the product tag. Now click on save. The product has been created and now we need to add our installer app, so go to apps. Here you can see the Shopify app store. Search here digital download, open this app digital downloads, click on add app. So basically the example I'm showing here is for selling ebooks. So I need to add this app to my Shopify store because when someone order the ebook, they will get a download link through this app. So click on install app and now click on products. And now opening my product which I just created, and now click on more actions and click on add digital attachment. Now here you can upload maximum 5 gigabyte file, 5 GB file, and you have to upload file for every variance one by one. So I'm going to upload file for every variance. Here I'm using dummy file. Okay, after that click on view in your Shopify admin. So now my digital product is ready to sell. Now click on product status, select active. Now click on save. So this was how we can sell digital products on Shopify. If you like to see more Shopify videos, please give a big thumbs up, like our video and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.